Hi, this is Michaela from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today I will be reviewing the Trevi 211 above ground pool. We offer this pool in a variety of shapes and sizes. A round shape including sizes from, and an oval shape including sizes from. Some structural elements of the Trevi 211 include 7-inch extruded resin top seats, 2-piece injected resin top caps, 7-inch injected resin uprights, and injected resin top and bottom tracks and connectors. Next, I'm going to review the Trevi 211 steel wall components. Trevi pools have steel wall components that are built for sturdiness and built to last. Their layer systems include a steel wall core, a chromate anti-rust coat, a primer coat, a heat-hardened inlay, and an ultra-resistant polymer to protect against corrosion and oxidation. Lastly, I'm going to review the special features of the Trevi 211. The Trevi 211 has streamlined oval systems for smaller backyards. It is easy to install with fewer nuts and bolts. It has bottom-mounted pressure plates to hold the pool firmly on the ground. Its steel buttress posts are reinforced with steel splice brackets on each side for extra strength and stability. The Trevi 211 and all other above-ground pools are able to be set up within a day. If it's an oval shape, maybe 2. Easy Test Pools also offers financing for up to 18 months on all above-ground pool models. If you would like to learn more about the Trevi 211, visit us online at easytestpools.com. Thank you for watching.